Hi everyone, this tutorial will show you how to find books and articles using the library homepage. Let's start by putting search terms into the search bar. Let's say we're interested in researching how electric cars affect the environment. We can use the search terms electric cars and climate change. I've used quotation marks to search for those exact phrases, and I've connected the phrases using the word and. Now I'm going to hit search and see what comes up. So my search results include articles and book chapters, books, both ebooks and print books, and videos. Right now, I'm only interested in articles and books, and let's start with books. So I'll click the book icon and then scroll through the search results until I find a book that looks interesting to me. So I can see in the summary here that this book is both about climate change and electric cars. So I'm going to click on it to find out more. Here we have the title of the book, the author, some publication information, and the summary that we already looked at. If we scroll down further, we get the table of contents, and there's a chapter called Electric Avenues, which sounds related to my search topic. There are also these subject headings. These represent what the book is about and link to other books about the same thing. So if you're interested in social aspects of climate change, you can click this link and find other resources about the social aspects of climate change. If you're in a hurry and don't have time to look at this book right now, but you're still very interested in it, you can click share, and you can either save this link here and return to it later, or you can email this page to yourself by putting your email in here and hitting send email. Another useful tool is the cite button. You can click cite and then it generates a citation for you. This is in the APA format. If you wanted to use MLA, you can just click MLA and it will update your citation to be in MLA format. These citations often have mistakes in them, so it's important to proofread your citations and make sure they're correct, but it can still be a useful tool. Now, let's say that we want to actually read this book. We have two options. We can either read it as an ebook or a physical book. If we'd like the physical book, we need this call number here, which is like the street address that the book lives at. It's on the second floor of the library, and we'll just have to take this number, go to the second floor, and find the shelf that has these letters and numbers on it. Alternatively, you can place a hold on the book, so someone who works at the library will take the book off of the shelf and leave it for you at the information desk. To do this, you just hit the place hold button, you can put in some information here, and hit submit hold. Now, if you want to read the ebook, you can just view ebook, and this will take you to another page, more information about the book. But if you scroll down, you get the table of contents. Electric Avenues was the chapter we were particularly interested in, so we'll click on that, and then the chapter opens up, and you can read the book. You're also able to search within the book. So if you're interested in electric cars, search electric cars and see that it's used 150 times, and then every time that it is used is listed here, and you can link directly to that page. So that's using an ebook. So that's using the library homepage to find a book. Now let's try to find an article. We're going to go back to our search results. We're going to have to scroll back up to the top. I'm going to uncheck the book button and check the article button. Now everything in our search results is an article. If we want, we can click full text, and this makes sure that all of the articles in our search results we have the full text access to. I'm going to scroll through the search results and find an article that looks interesting to me. So I see in the summary here, this article is about climate change and electric vehicles. It's got electric cars in the title. It sounds up my alley, so I'll go ahead and click on it. This looks very similar to when we're looking at books, we have the title, the authors, publication information, we have a summary, and we have subject headings. Now if we want to view the full text, there's a link over here which you can click, and it will hopefully open up the full text of the article. There we are. We have a PDF of the article. From here we can either print the article, or we can download it, or we can read it here in our browser. All right. Again, we have the share for the link or to email the page to yourself, and cite. So very similar to the book search. Now we have found books and articles using the library homepage. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching the tutorial.